A regular day on the water in March quickly took a turn for Caleb Bennett.
I saw something at the bottom of the boat, so I went and tied it down, and then I stood up, and next thing I know, the anchor was in my head.
Caleb calmly removed the anchor. His friend called 911, and his brother got them back to shore quickly.
If you're going to be crazy and freak out and try to pull it out right away, you're going to twist it around, and you're going to die. So, because that's what everyone would do. So I thought, be calm. It's the best thing.
Caleb's parents flew back from the Bahamas as he was airlifted to Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital.
I got a call to say there's a trauma coming to the emergency room, and there was a young man who took an anchor to his head. During residency training, I had people with arrows in their head. I've had people with gunshot wounds.
But this was Dr. Rodriguez's first anchor. The medical team quickly got into surgery, removing bone fragments from his brain and taking out a part of his skull. Only one frontal lobe was damaged, something Caleb can live without.
If the anchor had gone about a centimeter lower, he would have lost his eye, and it's very possible that it would have injured his carotid artery, and he would have been dead. If it goes a little bit a centimeter to the middle, a little more, same thing.
He spent 5 days in a coma as the brain swelling went down.
He looked lifeless, and he couldn't talk to me, he couldn't smile at me, he couldn't give me those emotions that, as a mom, you want to see your kids okay.
His first thought out of the coma let his parents know he was going to be okay.
That if that was the last snook I would have caught, I wish it would have been bigger.
His personality came back, all his memories came back. He's perfectly healthy.
He left the hospital in just 10 days, something doctors say is practically a miracle.
God saved my life.
And Caleb is right back to spending most of his time on the water with his family and friends.
We're more careful about where we store the anchor.
They're grateful that I'm alive, and make a lot of jokes about me, I'm the anchorman now.